Title is Lady Cricketer. Yes, you are right. This title belongs to Sozin.
You are safe.
The next title.
तो मेरा पहला टाइटल है जीनियस। आपको क्या लगता है ये टाइटल किसको दिया जाता है? जी हाँ, आप बिल्कुल सही है। ये टाइटल सिमरन को दिया जाता है।
Tell us a joke. Sorry, I don't want to do it.
जी नहीं, ये टाइटल स्मृति ठाकुर को जाता है।
Favorite teacher. Act like your favorite teacher. Sorry, I can't do it.
ब्राउन मुंडा। ये टाइटल पुनीत शर्मा को जाता है।
What's your special title? Talent. Jogging.
MP40। ये टाइटल नितिन लंगे को जाता है।
ਅਸੀਂ ਕਬਰਾਂ ਸਜਾਤੀਆਂ ਜੋ ਬੜੇ ਬੱਲੀ ਨੀ ਬੀਬਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਚੁਸਤ ਚਲਾਕੀ ਚੱਲ ਫਿਰ ਗਿਰਦੇ ਨਾ ਧਾਗੇ ਲਫੇੜੇ ਬੱਲੀ ਨੀ ਲੀੜੇ ਸਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਬੱਲੀ ਕਰੋੜਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀਤੇ ਲੈਵਲਿਆ ਸੈੱਟ
Act like your opposite gender.
स्पोकन। ये टाइटल दिव्यांशी ठाकुर को जाता है।
I don't.
जी नहीं, ये टाइटल अनुराग बाली को जाता है।
I am safe.
शतेरिया।
ਐਗਜ਼ੌਸਟ ਪਵਾਏ ਹੁਣ ਸੈਲਫ ਵੱਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੋ ਪਿੰਡ ਠਾਏ ਹੁਣ ਵੋਟ ਕਰੀ ਦੇ ਐਗਜ਼ੌਸਟ ਪਵਾਏ ਹੁਣ ਸੈਲਫ ਵੱਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੋ ਪਿੰਡ ਠਾਏ ਹੁਣ ਕਾਹਨੂੰ ਦਾ ਪਗੇੜਾ ਗੱਫਾ ਟੌਰ ਟੱਪਾ ਗੁੰਦ ਮੇ ਸਰੀ ਪੇਗ ਲੈਦੀ ਹੁਣ ਲੀੜ ਲੱਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਉੱਤੋਂ ਵੱਜੀ ਟ੍ਰਿਪ ਹੁਣ ਭੰਗ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ
would be invisible, what is the first thing you want to do?
खिलाड़ी नंबर 1, खिलाड़ी नंबर 1। जी नहीं, ये टाइटल मोहित शर्मा को जाता है।
Dance with any teacher. Neeraj sir.
शब्बीर को जाता है।
Hey, you never scared. Just one of each. You never scared. Just one of each.
To respected sister principal, father manager, worthy teachers, my dear friends, and everyone gathered here. Today I, Anya Shabir, and I, Simrana, from class 10, are standing before you with a lot of emotions. First of all, we would like to thank sister principal, teachers, and especially the 9th standard students for making us feel special on this momentous occasion. This is the last time we will be addressing you all. This beautiful school will always be an important part and parcel of our life. We will miss the school, but we will carry the lessons we have learned here. With this, we would like to call upon the stage Chandni Thakur and Nalin Kesar from class 10 to say a few words.
A very good afternoon to respected sister principal, father manager, worthy teachers, my juniors and my dear classmates. I, Chandni Thakur,
And I, Nalin Kesar.
are feeling very privileged to speak here at this farewell party on behalf of our class.
It is quite true that today's day is quite sorrowful yet joyful at the same time. My deepest sorrow today is that I have to bid goodbye to my presenter family.
My journey in this school was of 9 years. I came here as a child and now I am living as a teenager whose teenage will always be special because of the time I spent here in this school.
It was a real honor to study here under the leadership of worthy sisters and honorable father. I also want to express my gratitude towards my humble teachers.
My journey here was so joyful only because of the presence of my dear classmates. The students of my class will always be close to my heart.
I am really surprised at the arrangement of this farewell done by my juniors. To be honest, I didn't expect them to do so. सच कहूँ तो जितनी अच्छी फेवरेट तुमने हमारे लिए की है हम उसको डिजर्व भी नहीं करते थे. Thank you all.
I also extend my gratitude to my teachers. आपने जो कुछ हमारे लिए किया, हम शायद ही उसका एहसान कभी चुका पाएंगे. आपने हमेशा हमें अपना बेस्ट देने के लिए कहा और स्पेशली पढ़ाई में. Thank you इसके लिए.
Leadership of the school under Sister Principal Bridget and its excellence management under Father Pippin was really praiseworthy. It is quite hard to digest that it is the last time I am holding this mic. So I would like to end my words with a short shairi I wrote last night. किया है अब किसका किधर जहां होगा अब ना जाने कौन कहां होगा. अब किसका किधर जहां होगा अब ना जाने कौन कहां होगा. इन बीते दिनों की यादों में किस किस का दिल फना होगा. क्या पता इन यादों को अलविदा कहना ही ना पड़े. क्या पता इन यादों को अलविदा कहना ही ना पड़े. क्या पता बोर्ड ही ना पास हो वापस यहीं रहना पड़े. With that all, I would like to end my speech. Thank you all for everything.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
sisters, teachers, and my dear students. And a special wishes to the 10th class students. So today's chief guest, the 41 students are here as the chief guest. So I'm here. So we are here to bless you. First and foremost, I want to give the congratulate to the 9th teachers, Angita teachers and Om Prakash sir, and the students. So how was the program? So 10th you have to tell. How was the program? Only very nice. Excellent. So good. It shows their love towards you, that which means they practiced last 2 weeks. So different kind of the program they gave and different kind of the topics. The name they given to you, the 10th class students, the 9th class students given to the 10th class, which means they observed from you something they learned from you. So good, I congratulate once again the class teacher of 9th A and B and all the teachers. So let us give the huge applause to both the teachers and the students. Good, the good effort you made. They connect from the program, and after this they arrange lunch, everything. So congrats each and everyone, all the teachers also. Okay, so I am coming to the 10th class. So listen, I'm going to ask some of the questions, then only will aware, then only I can give the Mr. Farewell or Miss Farewell. Okay, so please listen that I will ask the question. Okay. So some of you here from nursery onwards, some of you are studying here 2-3 years, so nearly 13 years. So some of you here are studying as presentation family 13 years. Yes? How many of you 13 years from nursery? So okay, good.
All the virtues. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Pragun Pando, feel honored and privileged to propose the vote of thanks on this special day. Every special moment comes to an end, and this occasion has no exception to it. Today, you will take home the memories of the best time you have spent in the school. I would like to thank Almighty God for making this occasion successful, and now I would like to thank all my seniors to attend the farewell party. You all look superb in the blazers and the dresses you have worn. Now I would like to thank Father Managers, Sister Principal for allowing 9th class students to organize this function. I would like to extend my thanks to all the teachers for attending this farewell party, and would personally like to thank 9th class teacher Om Prakash sir and Ankita ma'am for guiding us in arranging the function. In the end, I wish all my seniors best of luck in everything they do in the future. Thank you.